Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a magnificent palace made entirely of shimmering gold. This was the Golden Palace, hidden deep within the enchanted forest, where the air was sweet with the scent of blooming flowers, and the skies were always a swirl of cotton candy clouds. In this magical kingdom, a kind-hearted fairy named Elara lived. Elara had hair like spun silver and wings that glimmered like tiny rainbows. She was the guardian of the Golden Palace, and her laughter was said to bring joy to the sturdiest of trees and the smallest of insects. But one day, a mysterious and envious sorceress named Morgana fell upon the palace. She was jealous of Elara's light and charm, and she wanted the Golden Palace for herself. With a flick of her crooked wand, she cast a powerful spell on Elara, turning her into a statue of pure gold and proclaiming herself the ruler of the palace. However, Elara's magic was strong, and she managed to leave a single ray of hope. Her purple gemstone necklace continued to glow, and inside it held the secret to breaking the curse. Whoever could solve the riddle hidden within the stone would restore Elara and bring light back to the Golden Palace. Many brave souls tried and failed to break the curse. Until one day, a young and curious squirrel named Pip, who lived in the branches of the tallest tree in the forest, noticed the peculiar glow from the gemstone. Pip was clever and quick-witted, always eager to learn new things and help his friends nearby. Driven by an adventurous spirit, Pip scurried across the forest to the palace. With his nimble paws, he climbed up the golden statue of Elara and gently touched the gemstone. Suddenly, visions of twinkling stars, glowing streams, and laughing fairies filled his mind, along with a soft, melodic whisper, "Find what is lost and you shall see that hope and kindness set us free." Understanding the riddle's meaning, Pip knew he needed to gather the lost laughter of the forest, the giggles that had disappeared when Elara was cursed. He raced through the forest, calling upon his fellow animal friends, the wise owls, the cheerful rabbits, and the colorful birds. To his delight, the forest animals began to share happy stories about Elara, remembering the warmth she spread through her magical laughter. Those joyful memories began to float into the air like fireflies, creating a glowing orb around Pip. With a heart full of hope, Pip returned to the Golden Palace and released those orbs of laughter upon Elara's golden statue. As they touched her, the laughter cracked the spell, sending sparkles flying in every direction. Before long, Elara was free, her smile as bright as the morning sun. The enchanted forest rejoiced, and the Golden Palace gleamed even brighter than before. Ever grateful, Elara thanked Pip by granting him and his friends new homes in the lush gardens of the palace, where they would be forever welcome. And Morgana? Her magic fizzled out in the waves of kindness and laughter, and she fled, never to disturb the peace of the enchanted land again. From then on, the Golden Palace became a place where fairies and forest creatures gathered to celebrate hope, courage, and kindness, an eternal reminder of the magic of friendship and the light within one's heart. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.